Role of Noscapine in treatment of virus-induced cough. Cough is one of the most commonly noted symptoms associated with almost all of the pulmonary and extrapulmonary diseases. Respiratory tract infections are one of the frequently reported underlying causes of cough, with viral infections making up to 90% of these cases. Common cold and influenza are the generally noted viral respiratory tract infections that are associated with symptoms such as nasal congestion, scratchy throat, cough, and irritability. Noscapine is one of the medications indicated for use in treating virus-induced cough. Non-opioid antitussive, it is devoid of opioid-like side effects and with no abuse potential. It stimulates the lung linings by suppressing the bradykinin-enhanced cough response. Noscapine suppresses the bradykinin-induced cough by preventing the action of bradykinin on bradykinin B2 receptors. This prevents bronchoconstriction, mucus production, and histamine release, in turn reducing cough. Major advantages of noscapine include non-narcotic drug with no abuse potential, no anticholinergic side effects, no respiratory depression, non-constipating,